If you're in AI governance, your inbox is probably, like mine, a complete disaster right now. It's really important that you have a high-level overview of how the technology, how policy, and how legal and regulatory updates are affecting the discipline and the field right now. To help you stay up to date, I'm sharing with you my 5 top newsletters that you need to subscribe to right away. Starting at number 5 is the AI Policy Newsletter by Alisar Mustafa. Alisar is a policy researcher who has been in the trenches. This is a fantastic newsletter for understanding the intersection of clear, effective policy and the ethical implications of deploying the technology. Alisar's analysis is fantastic, it's human-centric, and it's very sharp. By the way, if you're out there, apologies if I'm completely butchering your name. Please correct me in the comments or get hold of me so that I stop doing that. Number 4 is the IAPP AI Governance Dashboard. IAPP, formerly the International Association of Privacy Professionals, is arguably the gold standard for AI governance professional communities right now. Of course, they have the AI Governance Professional Certification, which I teach, for which I provide training at drdavidprivacy.com. If you come from a privacy background, then this dashboard, this is really going to be your home base. The newsletter that they put out is a weekly roundup that tracks global legislation and regulatory updates. It can be a bit dry, but it's professional and it's really exactly what you need to make sure that your compliance chops are up to speed. Number 3 is AI Supremacy by Michael Spencer. This is really for big picture thinkers. One thing that I really like about Michael Spencer's newsletter is that he usually does a deep dive into a specific topic, looking at recent reports and statistics that really help you understand at a granular level what is influencing or what is shaping a particular subject. The newsletter is high frequency and covers everything from startups to geopolitics. And so if you want to know where the market is and where it may be moving, perhaps before the regulators do, then this is a great place to start. Number 2 is policy.ai from CSET. That's Georgetown's Center for Security and Emerging Technology. This is really a heavy hitter. It covers national security, talent flows, and compute governance. And when you need deep academic-grade analysis on why governments are making certain moves, this is really the gold standard. You typically get 1 newsletter per month, and it's going to be chock full of really great analysis, papers, and reports to keep you going for the next 4 to 5 weeks. And my number 1 pick for best AI newsletter right now is, again, just like one of my top podcasts, is the Neuron. Governance pros, again, often get stuck in theory and they forget the tools. The thing that makes the Neuron really cool is that they look at just that. They look at the products. And so this is a daily breakdown of what different products are actually launching. It's funny, it's fast, and it ensures that you aren't regulating technology that you don't understand. So those are my top 5 AI newsletters right now. I'm going to include links to all of those in the captions below. So make sure to go down there, check those out, and subscribe.